All right, guys, so we got Kent's 2014 Silverado 1500. We are throwing in the Cognito 3-inch kit. This is going to be coilovers, upper control arms, and rear shocks. It's the same kit you can win in the next giveaway. You pick yourself up one of these shirts. So we are going to attempt to throw this in. Truck's a little rusty, a little crusty. It's been outside in Wisconsin its whole life, so it's all good fun. Ain't that anymore. It's all rough. They might be worse. Oh, God. I mean, to be fair, that's exactly how I expected this to go. So I'm not surprised at all. Just a fucking rusty piece of shit. Hell, there's that much pressure on that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy more aggressive, some carbide tip blades. This hardened steel bolts on this thing is just eating through them. So I'm out. I'll have to run to the store and pick some new ones, and we'll try this again. Interesting.
It's not a mod. This thing sounds as much of a part. It sounds like more than that. I sort of like it. They are not.
See how the fucking spring's been added and the strut's all weird? Yeah, Sam.
Oh, get the fuck out of here! You're giant. You're fucking.
Hi! parts, these center caps, and they put them on the wrong ones. Alright guys, so we got the lift level thing in here. New coilovers and everything went in great. Once we chopped out the stock upper control arms that were all seized because, you know, we live in Wisconsin and everything has to rust tight. So we got the 20x10 TISs, the 33-inch radars on here. We're gonna go take it to alignment. Once we get it back, we'll clean it up a little bit, take this thing for a ride, see how she does. Alright guys, we got Kent's 2014 Silverado 1500 all finished up. This is going to be sitting on a 3-inch Cognito leveling kit, which is going to consist of some very basic components. Up front, we just got some Fox Coilovers with Cognito UCAs. Now these have the bolt-in upper ball joint, so easily serviceable. And you'll see from the angle of them, they are kind of a high rise to make sure that that ball joint angle stays real nice and flat to not wear it out so fast. And that's really it up front. There's no diff drop, anything like that. So at 3 inches, it's really the most you'll ever want to go as far as a leveling kit goes before you start getting into the diff drop and relocating things. And then out back, no blocks, no U-bolts, anything like that, just a pair of Fox shocks to round out the rear, just to complement the ride quality. And this thing does ride really, really nice. That 3-inch lift kit's gonna make room for this wheel and tire package. And these are gonna be 20x10 TIS 560Bs. So they're the all black finish. And it is gonna be wrapped in some 33 12.5 radar AT Pros. And these are their new all-terrain tire. You'll see a little bit less aggressive, but still a really nice, really quiet, nice riding tire. And this is gonna be minimal trimming, a little bit on the valence, a little bit of knockback in the back with no mud flap, but no rub, full turn, everything like that. Now, because this is a 3-inch, it does have the slightest bit of squat, especially if you put anything in the rear. That could be remedied, you know, adding a set of blocks to the rear. But as it sits, this is gonna, you know, be mostly level. Now, everything you see here on this truck is eligible for you to win in our newest giveaway. Go to the website, get yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie, pick yourself up one of those or a couple of those for your chance to win a full set of a Cognito kit, TIS, and radar tires. Check it out later.